Hi everybody, today I'll show you how to set up a clothing store on Shopify. So let's just begin. Alright, so to create a clothing store on Shopify, first of all, you would need to create an account on the Shopify. And after that, what you need to do, now it actually depends on how you want to run your business. So if you want to run the clothing store and if you have your own inventory, you can simply upload it here. But if you want to run print on demand clothing store, that is really easy. Okay, so for that, what you would need to do, you simply click on the search here, and here you can see the option of the apps here. So let's click here, and you can see the option of all recommended apps. So we have to click on it, and now we can simply go inside the Shopify app store from here. And here what you need to do, you'd have to search for Printify here. So Printify is actually print on demand app. Okay, so we can simply install it from here, and you can also find other print on demand apps from here as well, but right now I will be using Printify here. So let's click here, and let's just click on the install here. All right, so now what we need to do, we have to click on install app again. Okay, so here what I need to do, I would have to log in with my account here. But you would have to remember one point here. If you want to use your Printify, which is Shopify store, you would have to create on both of these platforms an account with same email. Okay, so let's just log in here. Now let's click on sign in. All right, so we will be redirected to our Printify account, and I want to open this in full site, so I'll simply click on here. Okay, so now let's just go inside my store here. Right now I don't have any product in my store, but I will be adding a new product here, so we don't have to worry about this. All right, so now what we need to do, we have to click on browse products, and here you can see the products here. All right, so I will be searching for men's clothing, and here I would actually go here with t-shirts, and here you can simply filter out the data, depends on your need. Okay, so here I would actually look for, all right, so I think I would go here with this one. So let's click here, and now let's just click on start designing. So from here you can see this, we have the graphics. So if you want to use the graphics that are available on the Printify, you can simply use it from here. And we also have my templates. So if you have your own templates here, but if you do have any template here, you can simply select this as well. And we also have my library, which would be empty right now, and in the last we would have new design. Okay, so in new design you can actually upload your design from your device, or you can also generate AI image, and you can also have custom text. You can add the image from the Shutterstock, Dropbox, Google Drive, and Fiverr as well. Okay, so right now I would actually go here with the graphics here. So in the graphics, I would actually go here with, okay, so let's just go inside the chill vibes, because that actually matches the theme of our t-shirt color. So I think this would look perfect. So let's select this. Okay, so here, as you can see here, we can change the value of width, height, and rotate. And we also have the option to rotate, scale, and change the position of our graphics here. But right now I will just simply go here with the default setting. Now let's click on the save product. Okay, so here you will be able to see that we have the title, image, and mockup view. Okay, so I would also like to add this. Okay, so this is looking great. And now, okay, so now let's just scroll down, and you will be able to see listing details here. So in the listing details, we have product description. So if you want to go with the default value, you can simply go here. But if you want to add your own title here, you can simply add it. And you can also add size table here in the description as well. So let's add this. And we also have the text here. We have the shipping detail, and we have the variants here. And in the last, we have the publishing setting. Okay. So right now, let's just click on publish here. and this would actually upload your product on your Shopify store as well. Okay, so you don't have to upload there again. It will be simply uploaded from here automatically. Okay, so you can see here, if I just hover over the uploading images, you can see this tooltip here. This product was sent to your Shopify store and currently waiting for the mockup images to upload. Okay, so you don't have to re-upload it on there again. Okay, so as you can see here, status is published. So if you just go back to our Shopify store, now you can see this, our t-shirt is automatically uploaded here as well. Okay, so this is how we can create the clothing store on Shopify. And if you want to add one more product here, you can simply do it. You would have to repeat the process. So let's just go inside the catalog here, and now I would look for something else now. So this would be women's clothing, and I will look for hoodies now. All right, so I would actually like to go here with this one. Okay, so this is looking really fine. Now let's click on start designing. Okay, so now what we will actually do here, I will add the graphics on the front side and I will add the logo on the back side. Okay, so let's click on the graphics. Okay, so I would actually like to go here in winter holidays, and let's just select this one. All right, now let's click on the back side here, and here I would actually like to add the logo. Okay, so let's click on my device, go inside the downloads. Okay, so let's just try to upload the logo here. All right, so we have added the logo on the back side as well. So let's click on save product, and now you will be able to see our design on the hoodie. So let's just pick this one. You can see the logo on the background, and I would actually like to go here with this one. Okay, so now let's just see our product description. Okay, so you can also see your listing details here. So we have the title, we have the description, and you can also add the size table here as well in the description, and we have the text, we have the shipping detail, and you can also see the other details here. So now let's just click on the publish here, and now we just have to wait because it is publishing on our Shopify store as well. All right, so our second product has been published on our Shopify store as well. So let's go back and click on the refresh button, and you will be able to see our second product here as well. Okay, so if I just click here, you can see this, we have the title, we have the description, and we have all the media images here that we have uploaded from the Printify. Okay, so this is how it works. So now let's just have a look at our store. Okay, so let's click on online store here, and here, as you can see here, the current theme is the dawn theme. All right, so if you want to change the theme, you can simply change it from here as well. So I would actually like to add the spotlight theme. Okay, so let's click on the add. Okay, so the theme has been added. So now let's click on publish and click on publish again. All right, so now let's just have a look at our store. Okay, so now as you can see here in our store, we only have the two products. We have the t-shirt here, and we also have our bottom hoodie here. Okay, so if I just go inside here, you will be able to see the title, price, color, size, and you can see the size table here as well, and you can see the mock-up images here. Okay, so this is looking really great here. All right, so this is how we can create the clothing store on the Shopify. So if you really find the video useful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.